Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher. Now again, I am continuing the chapter data handling and probability. Now today's topic is probability. So, student, what is probability? Probability means the possibility that something will happen or chance to happen. There are two important points in probability. First, chance, and second, happen of chance. So if we take 1 rupee coin and toss it, we either get a head or a tail. So tossing a coin is called experiment or trial, and the two possibilities are called outcomes. So this we'll understand through an example. So student, while tossing a coin, tossing a coin means like this, tossing a coin, this is called trial or experiment. The possibility of getting a head or a tail, either we get head or tail, these two possibilities are called outcomes, and the set of outcomes we can note down is called sample space. So how can this possible? Tossing a coin, we have a coin, while we have to toss a coin, we have to chance to get head or tail. These are called outcomes, and we have to note down this, the set of outcomes in curly bracket. The chances are head or tail. These are outcomes. When we note down this is called sample space. Now another example, again tossing two coins, this is called trial, and possibilities of getting a head, tail, head, or either two head or two tail, these are called outcomes, and set of outcomes again in written form is called sample space. So we have two coin, head and tail. First case, we should get the head on first coin and tail on second coin. In second case, we get tail on first coin and head on second coin. Third case, third outcomes, we get head on both coin. And the fourth case is we get tail on both coin. These are the possibility. Out of these possibility, we get any one of them. So the sample space is sample space of these possibilities are, we get head on both coin, we get head on first and tail on second coin, and we get tail on first, head on second coin, and we get tail on both coin. These are called sample space of any trial. These are compulsory to note down. This is the compulsory to note down the sample space of any try, and number of set is called NS. So how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of sample space be 4. Now the student, formula of probability of getting any event is called number of times the outcome occur, number of times the particular outcome occur upon total number of time the experiment is repeated. Total number of times the experiment is repeated. This is the formula of probability getting an event. Number of times the outcome occur, the ratio of number of times the outcomes occur to the total number of the time of experiment is repeated. We can understand through an example. So student, in this example, a coin is tossed 500 times. So this is called 500 times is called total number of times the experiment is repeated. We have to toss 500 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And head appeared 275 times. Out of 500 times when a coin is tossed, we get 275 times head, and the rest of the times tail appear, means remaining time the tail will come on the coin. Find the probability of both head and tail comes. So student, in solution you note down total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes, this is called 500, number of heads, 275, and number of tails is equal to 225. We have to subtract 275 from 500. We get 225. On first case, probability of getting head. According to formula, number of times the outcome occurred. So head occurred 275 times upon total outcomes. Total outcomes are 500. You can cross out this. 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50 and 0. 11 upon 20. And on the same way, probability of getting tail out of 500, 225 upon 500. Again this will be in simplest form. 25 9s are 225 and 25 2s are 50 and 0. 9 upon 20. So student, this is the way to find out the probability of an event or experiment. So I hope you will understand the concept of probability, and if you face to unsolved the question, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.